her the length of she staggering. It's the 1 mile bus them following. No bother girl with the fight and the bothering. Give her the length of the card. She want the whole damn dick and the balls. Every girl wine for the man.
Give her the length of the card. She want the whole damn dick and the bar. She want everything, my general.
Reaction.
Yo, what's the ready to Mr. Boy TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss? Right now we hear that song from Mafi. You see me, I say big up Guyana one time. You see me, I say Punz. Song is called Pokey. Pokey. Official music video. Yes, I see the teaser on Instagram just a while ago. I see teaser a while ago. You see me, I say official music video. I already my name. What? Boyan bad rhythm. Sorry if I butcher the name of your rhythm in a Punz. I'm sorry, my general. But my day for the reaction right now. As I say, big up Mafi again. People comment on this video to see your comments right there in the next video that I post. So we get straight to the reaction right now, yeah, man. We're no long chatting. So a long time I do a Mafi reaction. Is it me? So a long time I react to a song for one of my Guyanese audience. Anyways, we're not get too long in that chatting. We're gonna get to the video right. No. Run it!
Little boy. How we looking?
I want to see if we get line up now.
Wanna know me so me like see already that the video them, you know. Wanna know me like so me want to see already that the video them, you know, man. Oh gosh, the gosh, it thick! Bumba clag what?
Yo, DJ Punz.
The video didn't even start. I can't take myself here, man, because right now I'm in trouble. Let me contain myself. Alright, look skinny mini. Look skinny mini. And Archie flame it too? No, hold on. Let me calm down. I feel like I got too hard already. And if you didn't even start yet. Calm down myself, Tyreek. Now react to the song.
Give me that Pokey, Give me that Pokey, Give me that Pokey, Give me that Pokey, Give me that Pokey,
Yo, John, bumbleclat. From the young brother reaction video, I'm not gonna lie to you, now be a soca vibes me I feel right there, you know. I'm gonna expect a soca song from you, and I'm not gonna lie, you know that. I wanna go on. Yeah, because the Pokey can't give me listen to you.
Give me that Pokey, Give me that Pokey, Give me that Pokey. She said Chitty man is the best. She know my style. I come from the west. I love see.
Well, what kind of man is the best?
That Pokey, Give me that Pokey, Give me that Pokey, Give me that Pokey. Alright then. Give me that Pokey. She said Chitty man is the best. She know.
A Jamaican man are the best. I that me I make you know. I'm a general still, you know. Yeah, I'm a general, you know. But a yard one of the best at that themselves, yeah.
Go on! I come from the west. I love see big ass and big breasts. She gon' fuck it up in this fit. Oh God, she give me neck, I fuck it. Had the night till she next. I got too much gal up in there. She going fuck me up till I sweat.
Well on. We're not dancing at Sagia Soca, man. You know, so not normal already, you know. Like me I watch, me know it's an off topic, but me I watch Asian on stage interview a while ago with Anthony Miller. And the dog say he want to I remember what kind of bumbleclad soca him call it a while ago, no? But he call it gunman soca or some kind of that. I don't remember what him say. But this other vibe me get right as well. What's that? Give me that Pokey. Give me that Pokey.
Fuck it, had the night till she next. I got too much gal up in there. She going fuck me up till I sweat. P-O-K-E-Y, P-O-K-E-Y, P-O-K-E-Y.
I want to analyze how she does. First of all, which part of the video I shoot? Second of all, what's the Instagram, baby? I'm not gonna lie, my name is TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss. You understand? And I would really like to get to know you on a personal level. You understand? You're not feeling my girlfriend and not know her. But you can DM me and talk to me on Instagram. Me talk back to you. I love woman. Bad. I don't like freaks though.
P-O-K-E-Y, P-O-K-E-Y, P-O-K-E-Y.
But this one Pokey. Ah! Pokey. Voila.
P-O-K-E-Y. Give me that Pokey. Give me that Pokey. Give me that Pokey. Give me that Pokey.
Give me that. I train that in there. See train them there. See chain. See, yeah, see there. See chain there. See chain there. Yeah, man. I train that in there, man. That's how that I go on right now. I like it. I love unity. I like unity. I love the unity. Train that in there. But go on.
I love my girl them thick and black. She make my bars and white like crack. Soon as my touch down place get hot, I get the girl them white like.
I love my girl them thick and black. She make my bars them do what? No.
Them thick and black. She make my bars and white like crack. Soon as
She making bars them white like crack. So that's why I can get them thick and black. I like them that way they also. Don't fuck with the truck. But she make your bars them thick like crack. You like your girls thick and black? She make it hold on.
give me that Pokey. I love my girl them thick and black. She make my bars and white like crack. Soon
He likes his girls thick and black, right? She makes his balls white like crack. Hold on.
as my touch down place get hot, I get the girl them white like back. She know the 1 mile boss on top. That's why she give me front and back. She tell
She give what? Listen.
I get the girl them white like back. She know the 1 mile boss on top.
That's why she give me front and back.
She tell me now she a open shop. If you want get a piece of the cake, why not?
Oh my God, baby. She said she a open shop. Say she if me want get a piece of the cake, baby. Why not? She said Mafi come beat out her belly basically, and she say shop open. She end up on her on a fair time of the month. Oh my gosh.
That's why she give me front and back. She tell me now she a open shop. If you want get a piece of the cake, why not? Dagarin. The length that she's dagarin. It's the 1 mile boss them following. Nobody that 1 mile boss on top. That's why she give me front and back. She tell me now she a open shop. If you want get a piece of the cake, Dagarin.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Shish. No. I'm sorry that I say. I'm sending the teaser and I go to the dog. What dog them say?
One of man then can send me a $5 credit.
No one the bumbo class. Prodigy. I left the video Prodigy. But think you talk about the bumbo claim song Prodigy. Oh gosh man, go react. Go blood clot react. But yo, give me that Pokey. Listen tune.
Give her the length that she's staggering. It's the 1 mile boss them following. Nobody girl with the fight and the bothering. Give her the length of the card. She want the whole damn dick and the balls. Every girl wine put a man.
Give her the length of the card. She want the whole damn dick and the bar. She want everything, my general. Them girl are dangerous, eh? She want the whole length, dick and the balls. No.
Bothering. Give her the length of the card. She want the whole damn dick and the balls. Every girl wine put a man. Yo, Punz, and listen to that. Give me that Pokey. Give me that Pokey.
Yo, Punz, this bad. Yo, Punz, this bad. Yo, Punz, this bad. No, man. Yo, Punz, this bad. What? No, man.
Yo, Punz, and listen to that. Give me that Pokey. Give me that Pokey. Give me that Pokey. Give me that. I love see big ass and big breasts. She gon' fuck it up in the.
Hold on, what you say? Second verse. Read it.
The man is the best. She know my style. I come from the west. I love see big ass and big breasts. She gon' fuck it up in this fete. Oh God.
She do what? First of all, you say what?
Pokey. Give me that Pokey. Give me that Pokey. She said GT man is the best. She know my style. I come from the west.
Me not agree with that. That statement that you make a while ago. When you call it a point, the yard man, especially me, the reaction boss, is the best. You understand? I told them not me yet. You understand? But it's alright. You make it habit for your sake of your song, your lyrics. You see me? I still my general.
I love see big ass and big breasts. She gon' fuck it up in this fete. Oh God, she give me neck. I fuck it hard and I tell she next. I got.
Oh my God. Big up yourself, Punz. We have to send Punz a video when I got to blood clot. Go on. Ready, John.
Too much girl up in there. She going fuck me up till I sweat. Give me that Pokey.
Why are you doing my position? No. She bright.
I got too much girl up in there. She going fuck me up till I sweat. Give me that
And me for the right side. She bright. You're bright. I'm as out of fact, I don't react to the bomb class. And hell, link down below to the full video. I'm gonna jump and make right tune.
Give me that pokey. Give me that pokey. Give me that
I'm not like,
give me that pokey.
why you didn't like the Let me see a chain, man. Hold on, let me see a chain real quick. What your chain say? Trading bad. No, that chain no man. Alright, Punz they did it, but Punz was never in that video. I'm gonna ask him, I never to say, man. This is me, I say, big up on yourself and the reaction boss. I'm going to sign out right now. I'm going to chat the video phone right about now. I'm out.